I used to use ChatGPT every day, but honestly, now I barely touch it because Google has its new tool and it does my job much better than I do. And the wildest part is for free. Google released something called Notebook LM. No, it's not just another chatbot. It analyzes information that you're giving it to. It creates podcasts, it creates presentation, it analyzes all the data and builds study guides. It's like your personal AI study assistant basically. And it's ridiculously underrated. Let me show you how it can save your time and it can replace at least 3 apps you are already using now. Let's say I have 4 PDFs, over 100 pages, and I'm deciding to invest in some company. So I just upload these all documents inside of Notebook LM, and in seconds, it creates your own podcast based only on the information you gave to the Notebook LM. And it generates you a custom podcast with your key points that you need to know. Like a real podcast with 2 voices, with natural speech. You can listen to it while you are driving, going somewhere, running, whenever you have time. And it doesn't stop there. You can also ask questions related to these files. For example, is it worth to invest in this company? Or what are the risks of investing in this particular company? It will give you the specific answer and it will tell you from which exact document it came from. It's not just PDFs, you can upload Google Doc files, you can upload websites, you can upload basically all the information you want to in a different format. It will be up to 50 sources and it will unify it in one brain. It's not just a search, it's a synthesis. There's a feature called Notebook Guide. Inside each notebook it can auto-generate summarizes of each file, study guides, timelines, briefing documents, podcasts. For example, you can upload your company last 3 earning reports and you will not even need to read at least 1 page. It will give you the full podcast about what exactly happened inside of your company. Summarize, customize, listen, and learn. Let me show you 5 real-world examples how you can use it today. Let's start from the entrepreneurs. Upload pitch deck, market research, customer interviews. It will get you a podcast that explains all of that. Next one are gonna be students. You can upload textbook, your lectures, your books, and it will create you a learning guide with a quiz. The next one are gonna be teams. You can upload training documents and it will give you onboarding guides. The 4th one are writers. You can give to Notebook LM compile research and it will generate you a creative brief. The last ones are investors. Upload earning calls and it will give you extract patterns and red flags. This isn't just automation, it's cognition, it reasons. With ChatGPT you prompt and it responds, but with Notebook LM you're putting the information inside and it stays there. It remembers your sources, it references them to you. It lets you drill deeper and deeper without losing a thread. You can say, summarize these 3 files as I'm the beginner. Or, for example, summarize this file because I needed to pitch to a CEO. That is prompt intelligence, not prompt engineering. This is my favorite part. You can even upload the stories about yourself and make it as your own diary, and then you will create podcasts that will be talking about you and it will be like reflecting your own thoughts. It will be reframing them. It will be like the mirror of your own. Or for example, if you're in sales, you can upload 10 of your best calls and 10 of your worst calls, and then you need to ask, what is the difference between them and how I can improve myself? What can I change to make it better? And Notebook LM will break it down. Language patterns, common objections, timing, closing rate. This isn't just research, it's a performance analysis. Now, a quick warning. It's a Google and it loves to kill good products. So don't rely on it as it's your own brain. Yes, it's powerful. Yes, it's free. But no, you shouldn't store their critical IP of your company without any backups. Use it, but export regularly and build your own local archive, which is very important. If you want to go deeper, I created the long read about how you can use Notebook LM for your personal use. It's gonna be free and the link is gonna be below the video. Also, join our school. The link is below. And there you can find not only about the notebook LM, but also about the workflows, AI agents, and more of different stuff. So welcome, join our community. We will be very happy to see you there. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.